U.S. Supreme Court, I don't have to let you go anywhere.
Yeah, you do.
No, I don't.
Well, I'm not going to stand here and have an accident.
You want to get arrested?
Do you want to get fired?
You want to get arrested?
Do you want to get fired?
You're the one that's going to go.
I gotta go to the bathroom. I gotta go to the bathroom.
Turn around.
I'm not going to sit here
Turn around.
The encounter begins with Deputy White initiating a traffic stop on a semi-truck driver who ran a red light, but it rapidly escalates into a confrontation driven by excessive aggression. Florida Statute 316.0741 mandates obedience to traffic signals, providing legal grounds for the stop. Yet the officer's dismissive response to the driver's urgent bathroom need reveals a disturbing lack of compassion. The driver, citing a medical emergency and recent shoulder surgery, pleads to relieve himself, only to face Deputy White's demands for compliance without any empathy. Threats of tickets and arrest replace de-escalation, creating a power struggle where a minor violation becomes a platform for asserting dominance rather than ensuring public safety.
Just stay up there for me, sir. Just stay up in your cab for me.
I gotta go inside. I gotta go to the bathroom.
Well, you're not going anywhere right now.
I'm not going to sit here and have an accident.
You're not going anywhere right now until I get your information. Okay?
This is
a traffic stop.
What
I'm
is?
Deputy Weisfinning for the Charlotte County Sheriff's Office. I'm pulling you over. No, you're going to give me the rest of your stuff or you're going to get some tickets.
I'm not going to have an accident in front of you here.
You ran a red light. I need your information.
I didn't run a red light.
Yes, sir, you did. Coming off the interstate. I need your.
That's
I need
not
your
a red light.
Yes,
You
it
can
is.
still go.
You have to stop first.
I
It is a red.
did.
No, you didn't. I need your.
I did too,
I need your.
because it's
I'm
a
not
no-
arguing with you. I need your
Why?
registration and proof of insurance, please. And per the U.S. Supreme Court, I don't have to let you go anywhere.
Yeah, you do.
No, I don't.
Well, I'm not going to stand here and have an accident.
You want to get arrested?
Do you want to get fired?
You want to get arrested?
Do you want to get fired?
You're the one that's going to go.
I gotta go to the bathroom.
Turn around.
I gotta go to the bathroom.
around.
I'm not going to sit here
Turn
with my
around.
pants.
Turn around. Put your hands up.
I gotta
Put your hands up now. Put your hands up now. You're gonna get tased.
I gotta go.
Put
to
your
the
hands
bathroom.
up.
I have.
Put your hands up.
Listen to me.
Turn around.
Listen to me.
Turn around. You're not listening to me. Turn around and put your hands
My
up.
stomach.
I'm gonna give you.
have a
I'm
big
gonna give you the count of
stomach.
3. Turn around.
I have a bad stomach.
Yeah, and I would have if you turn around. We're not
I can't
playing.
move my shoulder. I can't move it
Sir.
back. I
Sir.
can't move it back. I had
Stop.
an operation. I just had an operation.
Taser, 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 taser. Taser.
I
Taser,
just had
taser.
an operation.
Taser, 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 taser. Get on the ground. Roll over now. Roll over now. Put the handcuff behind your back. Put it behind your back.
Oh, no.
Get on the ground.
No, I went to the bathroom.
Get on the ground. Central Seminary, you know I got one tase.
Now I took a shit in my pen. Thank you very much. I can't move my shoulder. I had an operation 3 months ago. I
Put it
swear.
behind your back or you're going to get tased again.
Look at my shoulder.
Put it behind your back or you're going to get tased
Look at
again.
my shoulder.
Put it behind your back or you're going to get it again. It's that simple.
My shoulder.
All you had to do was listen.
Oh, I just had to go to the bathroom. Thank you
should have
very
listened.
much.
You should have listened.
I gave you my information.
You should have listened.
I already gave you my information.
Huh?
I had to go to the bathroom.
You didn't.
Thank you. No, I had an accident in my pen. I appreciate it.
Sit up.
No, the other way, because I told you I had an operation on my shoulder.
Which shoulder? This one
My
or the
right
other?
one.
Well, I'm grabbing you on your left.
All right, hold on. All right, now go to the other way.
Traffic 10 cents. I'll be behind the pilot in the semi-truck area.
All right.
I am. Put your foot out like you are.
Just get me up.
Just roll over right there. Sit right there. You wouldn't give me a hard time, I would have let you go
I had to go to the bathroom. I give you my
I understand that.
Listen to me.
No.
I have a bad stomach.
You do not control the traffic
When I
stop.
have to go to the bathroom, yes.
You do not control the traffic stop. No, you do not. When I tell you that I need your stuff and what I need, you give it to me.
I gave you everything.
No, you wanted to give me a hard time and then just walk
I
off.
gave you the book. Everything's
Doesn't
in
matter.
there.
You're not leaving till I tell you.
Where am I going to go?
I don't know, but you're not leaving. The Supreme Court says I have the right to
You're
detain
going to
you
listen.
during the traffic stop.
Wait a minute. You're going to listen to the Supreme Court instead of somebody who had to go to the bathroom.
Yeah, you're going to go to jail now.
Then you don't know your job.
You're going to jail for obstruction. So go ahead and stand up for me.
Despite the driver providing his driver's license and permit book, Deputy White refuses to allow him to use the bathroom, escalating the situation to a shocking level of force. Florida Statute 776.0511 prohibits resisting an officer with force unless their actions are unlawful, but the driver's nonviolent pleas for a bathroom break do not warrant the officer's response. Repeated commands to "put your hands up" and threats to tase ignore the driver's physical limitations from surgery, culminating in a taser deployment that results in the driver experiencing an involuntary stomach reaction due to the intense stress. The officer's indifference to the driver's visible agony while handcuffing him highlights a cruel misuse of power, transforming a routine stop into a dehumanizing ordeal.
Jesus Christ. Can I still go?
No, you can go to the jail.
I can't sit now. Just because I had to go to the bathroom real
I told
bad.
you were not leaving.
I gave you my information.
No, you gave me a hard time.
No, I didn't. I told you I had to go real bad.
Go ahead and sit in the car. No, he's shit himself. I'll search him here when we get to the jack.
Yeah, thank you very much. I appreciate it. It's a flashlight. No, I don't.
We're going to pull the prongs out.
Thank you. No, I'm bleeding.
Yeah, well, step out here. Step out here.
You got to take the cuffs off.
No, I don't have to take the cuffs
loosen
off.
the shit out of them.
They're
I told
as
you I
loose as
just
they
had an
can.
operation
Do you
a
have
couple
anything
months
on?
ago.
Do you have anything on you that's going to stick poker cut me? Do you have anything that's going to stick poker cut me?
No, I have nothing in my pockets.
I'm just asking. Hang tight.
Holy
Jesus, this would all go a lot smoother if you would just relax.
That's all you had to do is let me go to the bathroom.
So you ran the red light at Jones. I went to stop him. He jumps out of the truck, tries to take off.
I had to go to the bathroom.
Not to give me your information.
I gave you my information.
Sure, relax.
I gave you the book. I gave you my license.
So you see what I'm dealing with. I'm not giving you anything. I don't have to. I can leave. No, sir.
No, I never said that.
Supreme Court says
I never said
I have
that.
custody of him until he's done.
Do we haven't searched it?
I was just getting ready to search.
There's nothing on me.
I was just finishing up with that.
There's nothing on me but my wallet.
Yeah, I hadn't got that far. Spread your feet for me.
Go ahead.
No, spread your feet.
That's,
Spread your feet some more. Do you have anything on you can
no,
stick
there's
poker
nothing
cut
on
me?
me. All this because I had to go to the bathroom real
All this
bad.
because you didn't listen.
I had to go.
It has nothing to do with you going to the bathroom. It has to do with you listening.
I had a bad stomach ache and you wouldn't let me go to the freaking bathroom. Just because I had to go to the bathroom real bad, you're going to freaking stop me.
No, somebody got gloves or I'll take the prongs out.
This is pathetic. Holy shit. Is this what our time has come
Sir,
to?
stop.
No, is this what our time has come to?
Well, today,
You wouldn't let somebody go to the freaking bathroom?
that's not what I said,
That's
did I
why I
not?
was in a hurry.
Stop yelling.
Now that you've calmed down, all I was going to do was get your information.
I gave you
Listen to me. Listen to me. All I was doing was get all your information. Didn't need the ration that came in.
I couldn't hold
All right.
it no more.
I'm not even going to talk to you at this point.
Well, let me ask you a
Because-
question. Let me ask you a question. Just one question. When you get a bad stomach ache sometimes, all right? And you get it real fast and real bad. You got to get to the bathroom real fast, correct?
Yeah, but you.
All right.
You were driving a 26,000-pound missile the way you came off the interstate. It's all on tape. The whole
Right.
interaction, 30 seconds before I hit my lights, shows you coming
Yeah,
off
but
the
it
interstate.
turned
Listen to
green
me.
as I was
No,
going
it didn't.
underneath it.
No, it
Yes, it
didn't.
did.
No, it didn't. I'm not arguing with you. Are you going to let me talk so I
Yeah.
can explain things to you? All right. I was going to give you a couple citation. All right, for the red light. I was going to get your information, get your phone number, and once I verified everything, let you go to the bathroom. But when you don't want to give me anything, listen to me. I let you talk, did I not? So either you're going to let me talk, or you're going to sit in the back of the car and you're going to read the PCA at the end of the day. Because obviously you don't want to listen.
I'm listening.
All right? At which point you would have gave me the information, I would have let you go in there. I don't have a problem with that. But when you tell me you're going to let me go, I have to let you do this, I'm going to lose my job, guess what? Game on. It doesn't matter that you had to go. You are being stopped by a law enforcement officer. At that point, you are not free to do anything you want to do until the stop is done. Now, like I told you, had I got your phone number, had you given me the information, had you said, sir, I did whatever, I ran the stoplight, and I was trying to get here to go to the bathroom, I would have been, yeah, I understand it, no problem. Get your information, go do it, and come back out. And it would have been as simple as that.
That's why I
but when
couldn't wait
you,
no more. I had to
it
go.
doesn't matter. Did you not hear what I just said?
Yeah.
You're not listening to me.
But I'm not going to sit there and have an accident.
Well, This is what happens in the meantime then, when you don't listen.
Well, when you
Because
have to
I don't
go-
know what your intentions are, okay? I don't know if you have drugs, you got a gun, if you're just trying to leave the scene, if you got
I
a suspended license, you got a warrant.
commercial vehicle.
I don't know. It doesn't matter.
I'm fingerprinted by the government.
It doesn't matter you drive a commercial vehicle.
The government knows I'm fine.
This whole situation arose because you didn't want to listen.
I was in a hurry. I gave you my license. I gave you the permit book.
Yeah, after
All
like the fourth or fifth time I had to yell at you, and then you said, I'm still going to go. You're not going to go. You're not in control of this stop.
I'm not going to go to the bathroom in my pants.
Well, you would have already been in the bathroom and been out of the ticket and been out of here.
So why didn't you just accept the book and my license?
Because there's things I have to verify.
Well,
Simple
I'm
as
not
that.
going anywhere.
Simple as that. I don't know that. How do I know? You jump out and you start to head away from the truck.
Well, that's why I came over to you.
No, you were heading back to there.
Well, I came back over to you.
Yeah, but then you
All
want to
right.
get all shitty with me.
I told you.
And
I have
today you're
go
going to
the
take a
bathroom.
trip to the jail. When they're done checking you out, we're going to take a trip to the jail. He knocked the other one out, and he tried to pull the other one out,
It didn't work the first
and then he
time.
stepped on it.
Then he did it again.
Work a second time?
Oh yeah.
Taser! But like hell.
Hi.
You would, since he's bleeding pretty bad. You want to put a Band-Aid or whatever? We can do it then. It's just you stick this down in here,
Yeah, protocol
Yes.
says to pull straight out.
and you pull it straight out, just like that.
It's gonna hurt.
Could you loosen this one for me? Just a little bit.
This one right here?
Yeah.
Give me a second, I'll put another set of cuffs on you. All right, turn around for me. Keep your arm right where it's at. That better?
Too tight now.
Which one? This one? You can't bend your wrist. There you go. You can't bend your wrist.
That's fine.
Are you offloading gas here or no?
No, I had to go to the bathroom. You guys do a lot of things different from
Here,
years
hold on.
ago.
All right, go ahead and have a seat.
I can't fit in here like this.
If you just lean back, it'll all fit in there. There you go. It's tight, but it's the way we have to
Like
do
I
it.
said, I just had my shoulder done.
I get it. What a mess, man. Just listen to me. I'll help you out. I'm not a jerk, man.
Apparently you are.
Whatever, dude. I don't care. I mean, you know me. This is not where I wanted this stop to go. How long you been my corporal? It's the first use of force?
Didn't you say you haven't tased anybody ever or something?
No, I didn't say that. What a mess, dude. Sorry.
No, you're good. Thank you.
Yep.
You guys be safe.
Deputy White's decision to arrest the driver for resisting an officer without violence reflects an abuse of authority, especially since the driver provided his information and his truck was parked, posing no flight risk. Florida Statute 843.02 defines resisting as obstructing an officer's duties, but the driver's cooperation with his license and permit book, coupled with his urgent bathroom need, suggests the officer could have issued a ticket and allowed him to relieve himself. Instead, the officer's insistence that the driver does not control the traffic stop and his derision of the driver's Supreme Court references reveal a focus on control over fairness. The driver was charged with resisting an officer without violence. He was also issued a ticket for running a red light. By prioritizing jail time over a simple citation, Deputy White's actions erode public trust, turning a manageable situation into a glaring example of corrupt overreach. Like and subscribe for more police cam stories. Watch the next recommended video click to watch now.